Chemistry rocks. It's fun, educational, interactive, and the bomb. Chem108 student-generated project. Mondays and Wednesdays, 9 a.m. by Sheppard. Student-generated project, reaction types, synthesis, decomposition, single replacement, and double replacement. In a synthesis reaction, two or more elements or compounds combine to form one or more complex compound. An example, A plus B goes to AB. The reactants A plus B gives the product AB. The reaction of carbon dioxide with water is an example of a synthesis reaction involving compounds. CO2 plus water gives the product of H2CO3. A simpler example would be making a sandwich. The reactants A, which is the bread, plus the reactants B, which is the meat, gives the products of A plus B, which is a sandwich. A decomposition reaction is the reverse of a synthesis reaction. It involves the breakdown of one compound to form elements or simpler compounds. The product AB breaks down into A plus B. The decomposition of water and calcium carbonate is an example. The product AB breaks down into A plus B. In a simpler example, a sandwich, which is the product, breaks down into A, which is the bread, and B, which is the meat. In a single replacement reaction, one element trades places with a different element in a compound. The reactants A plus reactants BC goes to make the product AC plus B. A plus BC forms a new product AC plus B. In the reaction between the element iron and copper sulfate, for example, the iron replaces copper. For a simple example, bread being the A, meat and cheese being B and C, will go into a cheese sandwich with the meat. A double replacement reaction involves parts of two compounds switching places. You have the reactants AB plus CD gives the products AD plus CB. In this equation, the A and B switches with the A and D, and the C and D switches with the C and B. AB plus CD gives a new product AD plus CB. The reaction of sodium chloride with silver nitrate is an example of a double replacement reaction. NaCl plus AgNO3 gives a new product of NaNO3 plus AgCl. For a simpler example, if you take a blue and black pen, which is AB, add it to a red and green pen, which is CD, will give the new product AD plus CB. Comprehensive tests. Number 1, 2 2N2 plus O2 gives a new product 2N2O. Number 2, HCl plus NaOH gives the product H2O plus NaCl. Name these reaction types. Answers. Problem 1, 2N2 plus O2 gives the product 2N2O. This is synthesis, taking two and making it into one building. Number 2, HCl plus NaOH gives a new product H2O plus NaCl. This is double replacement. We're switching to compounds and forming a new compound, again H2O plus NaCl. Real-world example of a synthesis reaction.